So guys, as you see, I put all the screws, some fat on it, so I can mark it on this, so I know where I will put all the holes. As you see, this one is in place, and it's very important to have Loctite on the screws before you screw it. Very important, because this is the base and the walls and everything will sit on it, so make sure to have screw tight on it. Okay, so this is perfect and sits very well. And now we're gonna do this. I'll put this little bit black on these screws, then I will put the wooden frame here, and it will be a mark, then I will draw a hole in this way and can ensure that all these holes, it will get in the right place. We're gonna use Loctite. It's very important to use Loctite on the screws, otherwise when it's vibration they will loosen up, so it's very important to use Loctite. Okay. Now this side is done, as you see, so it sits very well. And now I will start with this side. Let's do it. It was pain in the ass until I did some, and the problem was that from this, I thought that this was just junk. See this? See, 1 and 2. See, it's just bended, and see how thick they are. So the problem solved, because the issue, it wasn't from this one, and I just got a very good drill, and that's it. So make sure to have a very good one, and that's all. So guys, now I have learned how to make this pocket holes. I don't know if it's right, but I have to drill as well with a very small drill, so the wood will not crack. So I have to drill it. I will drill it all very small drill, so then I will put it in place. Is done as well. I need to fasten these. I will put 1, 2 there, and I think I will put 1 here and then 1 there. It will be in total 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it will be like 4 pieces like this, and this is fastened, and I have this. In the upper side I will don't put anything, just because I think, I'm not sure. You see this, there is screw places here all the way, so there it will be cabinet, so I will fasten it on the wood and with the screws upper side. I'm not a professional wood maker, so I'm trying all my best. So like pocket holes, it was very difficult for me because it was first time and I don't know which right tool you need. So yeah, I was struggling with that, but at the end it was from the drill, the drill itself. So I changed the drill and it works. So that's these small things takes time. So yeah, I'm trying all my best. Let's continue put that, and I feel after I do all this, I think we will be done with these. So I don't need to put anything more.